Aloha and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be installing a small hand wash sink for our tiny bathroom. It's budget friendly, beginner friendly, and it'll save a ton of space. Let's get started. I have no plumbing experience. The only other time I've installed a sink was during the house renovations, but this sink installation is super easy, so I'm confident that I can handle this. We bought this sink off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. I am going to be mounting this to a shelf, so I'm just taking some measurements. I'm also going to install another shelf under this sink for additional storage space. I'm going to mark some holes for the drain pipe, P-trap, faucet, and water line. Then I'll drill out the holes using a hole saw. I must have been sleepy when I recorded this. I don't know why I have it turned sideways. Anyways, this is beeswax. This is gonna help to protect the wood. It has the look and feel of cold bacon fat. It's gonna be hard to scoop out at first, but once it warms up in your hand, it'll be easy to apply. Just apply this with a clean rag with the grain and allow it to dry for at least 24 hours. Now to install the shelving. I'm marking the height of the brackets where the shelf is gonna sit. I got these brackets off of Amazon as well. This sink will be sitting low. It's mainly for my daughter to use, who is still my little baby. So we're gonna set this a little bit lower, but you can adjust this to whatever height you need it to be. Now let's put this sink together. I'll start by connecting the tailpiece to the P-trap. All the parts will be included if you buy this off of Amazon. Now I'll secure the faucet to the shelving and run the water line through the shelves. This is the sewage line. This is where I'm going to run the end of the waistline after I connect it to the P-trap. I'm gonna install a shutoff valve before I connect it to the supply line. Be sure to turn off your main water line before doing this. Now that the supply line is connected, let's open the valve and see how we did. Moment of truth. Alright, we did it. Not bad, right? Easy money. I am gonna let this run for a few minutes just to make sure there aren't any leaks. It appears to be good. I am gonna put some putty to seal off the waistline. Before I finish this project, I'm gonna seal off the edges with some caulking, just to prevent any water from going around or under the sink. And there you have it. I was able to finish this project over the weekend. Again, very little experience, but I was able to tackle this on my own. And you can too, for sure. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.